Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be planting these bare root echinaceas. I got a delivery of some bare root plants and a few seeds. Well, a few too many seeds. Say hi, monkey. Hi, Paul. So what we're going to do is just open this packet up. Let's have a look what's inside, shall we? I like to plant these into pots because you don't know how bad the weather's going to be this time of year. So look at those. Pleased with these. I didn't pick these. I normally like to go to the shop and pick bare root plants myself, but even that one, nice bit of growth on there. Looks fine. And that one even stronger. Look, you can even prise it apart. And you've got 3 plants, which is really good. So first of all, what I'm using is a peat-based compost. All you do then is just fill your pots up. This has got some feed in it, so you don't have to feed them straight away. Let them settle in first, I would say. Right, because you've got the roots there, I like to leave a couple inches in the bottom, and then, like so. I'll leave the crown probably just the same. The leaves here, you don't want to bury those because they'll rot. Just like so. Give it a tap, and then all I need to do is give it a water, and that will show me how much the compost is going to settle. You can see there, all the air is getting forced out with the water going in. And it's starting. Another little tap. That's come up nicely, and that'll be fine for those. So the other two. Hope everybody's keeping fine. The weather here has been blowing an absolute gale. Absolute gale. I thought the roof was going to come off the greenhouse. Monkey was scared stiff, weren't you, Monkey? That's right, Paul. I know, I should have let him come in the house last night, but you know, his job is to keep an eye on things. And like Monkey. That's right, Paul. Get this one planted up like we did before. If anybody's got any good suggestions for any peat-free compost, please leave them in the comments. I'll give it a try. Yeah, it's gone in there nicely. Quick water. Good thing about starting these early in the greenhouse, when the time to plant out, they've got a real good start on the ones that are in the garden, and I mean a real good start. That's it. That's basically all you do. That's how to plant your echinaceas, your bare root plants. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe and please like. Thank you very much for watching. I hope everybody keeps safe. Thank you. Bye.